Here's how to delete blocked numbers on your iPhone. Meaning, if you blocked someone in the past from calling or messaging you, this is how you unblock them. Tap on the settings, scroll down to the apps, tap on that, tap on the P to go to all the apps that start with the letter P, tap on phone, scroll down to the very bottom of this section and you'll see a blocked contacts. Tap on that. We have 13 unknown currently on this phone. This is all the numbers here. If you just swipe to the left on them, you can then tap on unblock to unblock them. Super easy. You can also tap into them. At the very bottom is an unblock contact, also a share contact button, and that's all there is to it. I hope this video helps you and hope you got value from it. If you did, like and subscribe to let me know, and then check out the video on your screen right now, which will show you how to secure your phone in the fastest way possible. Only takes a few minutes. So make sure you get that done. I will see you on that video.